Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Eva Anthony. Today's video is going to be basically me following Mulatto. Yeah, so I've been getting some suggestions about this particular video and I thought why not I should recreate exactly the way she would normally do her makeup. So let's get right into this.
So the first step of my skincare routine is the cleanser. You gotta clean the face first. Cool. Boom. I wet the face cloth.
Then what can you do to the skin?
I have wet.
So I'm just going to be using the other edge of the cloth to clean my face. So I have sensitive skin, but these days I honestly don't know what my skin feels like anymore because I don't know if it's normal now or if it's a combination skin now. I honestly don't know, but what I know is I do have a sensitive skin, and yeah, so I'm very particular about what I use. And recently I started getting some kind of pimples, or I don't know if I should call them acne, but they're there, so I decided to start taking care of my skin more.
Second step is toner. This has vitamin C in it, so I just feel like it makes me shine bright
inside this little spray bottle, just so I would be able to like spritz it on my face. I'm going to definitely leave it to dry out on my face. After that, I'll be going in with a moisturizer. Next, we'll be going in with a primer, just a little bit, you know, to get our face ready for all of that makeup.
After I put the primer on, I go into my eyebrows. They're looking a little scarce right now. So we're gonna fill them in with a pencil.
So I already have full brows, but what I'm just going to be doing is to just fill in wherever I feel is not filled. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing brush up strokes, just feathers, just to fill it up. So yeah,
do the top part. This is probably the most tedious process of this whole makeup routine, because I don't play by my brows, child. I do not play by my brows. Eyebrows gotta stay on fleek.
After doing that, the next one we're going in with is my concealer. You can either go in with the same concealer, which is an exact shade of my face. To be safe, you just have to go in with your foundation, just a little bit for the top. That's if you have to. I do not necessarily do this, but just because Mulatto is doing it, I have to do it. So you see the way it blends, so that's why it's advisable to like go in with your foundation or a concealer that is your exact shade.
And then we're gonna go on the top of the brow.
It's been a while I did my brows before skin work, so
starting.
This is kind of new again in a very long while. Like Mulatto said, makeup is best with experience. That's why I can just handle my brush like this and everything responds, because you can't just wake up today and say you want to do your brows exactly the way I'm doing it, like so fast and all of that. Girl, we're going to mess up.
Makeup is like, makeup is about experience. You don't just wake up knowing how to flick your face.
Like, brows are the statement of every makeup look. I always say this. So next thing we're going to be going in with is my foundation. Just a little, as always, and we'll just go in. One of the reasons why I think I stopped using brush to apply my foundation is because I feel like it takes too much product. It takes a lot of product. It takes a lot of products as opposed to a beauty blender. You know? Next is concealer to highlight. For contour, I'm going to be using a foundation shade, very dark shade.
For your contour, check me out. And baby, blend, baby, blend. It's time consuming, but you can't cheat that step. I'm telling you, you can't, or you're gonna be looking a hot mess. Wash you out until you put this step on there.
Next is our setting powder
with some translucent powder, and we're just gonna lock it in. This is like my version of baking, I guess you would say, and it's just help your makeup last. You want to know the funniest part about makeup is all the faces you make. It's like, why are you making that face? Sis, it helps me do my makeup. Don't ask,
no, just do.
We're gonna do some bronzer over the parts where we did the concealer.
So this is
the darker concealer.
CoverGirl Full Spectrum in Ebony.
Dust off all the translucent powder. We're gonna use a setting spray to lock everything in. Just gonna let her lock in place. While she's locking, we're gonna do some highlight. She's all crushed up because she gets used a lot. She done been through hell. Boom. And make sure she's super tight. For my edges,
I've been using this. So I'm going to be using this because Eco Style won't even do anything for me when I use it, especially when my hair is really due. So I need some got to be. So I'm just going to be going in with this hair wax. I don't know the name, just hair wax is written on it. Yeah, so, and I do not like using this one because it tends to leave my hair white, but what can we do? So we move. Yeah.
It's not for the weak. This is a sport. This is a sport.
We all know we can't go anywhere without
I cannot wrap the video without some lip gloss.
Any lip gloss at all.
Any lip gloss is fine, girl. Just make sure you put on your lip gloss.
So I'm going in with about 3 glosses. I'm just applying them above each other. And then for the last one. This is the final look. hair, skin and makeup. So I hope I kind of got her routine. This basically is me, you get, because this is how I would usually on a normal day look. This is the kind of look I would always carry. And then for my ponytail, I'm going to be putting out the tutorial on how I achieve this, although my hair is not relaxed, but we figured something out and this is what I came up with. So this is me recreating Mulatto'S makeup routine, because I was getting so much suggestions. Looking at my analytics, I got a whole lot of suggestions that this video, you guys are watching this video so much, and I get suggested after this video or before this video. So I decided to, why not recreate the look? Why not? So this is me doing that, and I hope I did something really nice. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Give this video a big thumbs up. Suggest other videos you'd like to see on my channel. Drop a comment, and until next time, stay safe and be blessed. Bye.